Hey, good morning. We're coming to you from Golden, Colorado. We're out here at the City of Golden Splash Water Park. If you guys are ever looking for a place or something to do out here when you visit Colorado, Golden is an amazing place. You have this for the young kids. Mom and dads can go right over here to Fossil Trace, lots of dinosaur tracks and whatnot around that golf course. It's very unique, beautiful. And then right down the road, obviously you have the world famous Coors Brewery. Being I'm born and raised in Golden, I don't add the other name. It will always simply be Coors. So anyways, we're out here. We had some unique structures. They have, I think, 12 in total. It's just a little different method as far as a shade sail, something we hadn't done before, so we made a couple of them. What's unique about these is you actually have a fixed point. The corners don't actually get attached to something and then get stretched to a certain point. The corners remain a constant distance from one another. So, but from what they're telling us, the couple we've made are a lot tighter. Matter of fact, we're stressing the frames. That's really the limit of how much we can tension these right now. So it's a pretty neat project. Fortunately, Golden got our name from some of the other cities around here, City of Westminster, Apex Rec Center, all places we've done shade structures for. So neat opportunity. We're going to get the rest of them made and we'll make a quick video when that's all said and done. I'll talk to you soon.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.